Alright guys, so this video is just going to demonstrate to you how to create a Google site and do some basic things in it. So you can start by going up here and clicking new if you like, and then scrolling down here, go to more, and then you'll see Google site, so click on that. Now if you like, you can just type in up the top here, you can see sites.google.com. You could just go there and then you can create a new site from there. But you can see here straight away I have a site. So this is my title page. Let's call it Dan. Right, that's my image. Over here, click change image. I'm going to upload an image. Let's click change image, select an image. Okay, so this will take me to the gallery. You can go to your Google Drive if you like, and you can find stuff within Google Drive, things that have been shared with you. You can go to your albums and see photos that you have of whatever you like. So let's put Cedar up there. There we go. Too small by the looks of it. Oops, select. There we go. Obviously not the best image to use, but it'll fix itself up. You'll see here it's fixing itself. Remove readability adjustment. That's okay. Right, so that's adjusted. You can site name up here. So this is my site. And you know what? Let's change this to Google Sites lesson, because maybe what I'll do is actually use this site to teach you all the stuff that you're doing currently. So let's have a look here. The next thing I want to do, so we've got sections. You can choose different layouts here, and you can just drag them in. So if I would like this one, just drag that over there and drop it. There it is. Or if you just want to insert a text box, you can probably just click on the text box, and it'll insert a text box the whole way across for you. If you get it the whole way across, you can just drag things back and forth. It doesn't really matter. Okay, here, choose what you want to put in here. It might be an image that you're going to put in. You might choose something from Drive. Let's go from Drive. Right. Go across here, go to recents. The recent things that look at this. I might even just put this lesson PowerPoint straight in there for you. There you go. So that's your PowerPoint. Gets inserted, it'll load up, and so you guys can scroll through that if you like. If I want to make it bigger, I can do that too. Just make it bigger, and everything else will adjust straight away for me. I can click here and put a little bit of information for you in the text. So here we're talking about, and of course in here there's also stuff about password creation, etc. Okay, but that's basically it. So here's a text box. If I want to just insert anything else from Drive, if I want to stick an image in, let's say I want to actually insert an image, so I can just click this, select an image, and it'll bring up. Now I can search the internet here. Let's search the internet. There we go. And let's go to this one. We're going to build a website. So that's a good image. I'm going to insert that. Okay, lovely, beautiful. And because I've done it through Google Sites, this actually is what's called a commons image, which means I don't have to give reference to whoever I got it from. If, however, I choose to go this way and find an image on the internet, let's say I want to find an image for coaching football. Alright, whatever comes up, I'm just going to use it. I'm not going to care too much here. There we go. Let's use this image. Now and you can copy the link address, but I'm just going to download the image. Where save image as. Okay, so coaching image. Now, I also want to make sure that I'm being nice and responsible here. So I'm going to copy the source, copy link address. That's nicer. Okay, now if I go back to the site, which is this one, I believe. Yep. Okay, now I'm going to insert. Let's just delete this. So over here on the left, I can delete it. I can make another copy, or I can change the background color for emphasis or something. I can put an image in the background. Okay. So let's maybe do that on this one here. Let's put an image in the background. Okay. Upload, and I want this coaching one, which is in my downloads. So downloads, scroll down. What's it called? Coaching. Just type it in. Coaching image. There we go. Open that one, and there you go. It's now the background, and it'll adjust it. So make sure that everything is nice and readable at the front here. If I wanted it down here, I can just double click, and double clicking will bring up all the different things you can do too. I'm going to upload, and I'll put the coaching image in there as well. Okay, but you can upload pretty much anything. You can upload Word documents or whatever you like and stick them in here. Okay, so images, sites, and what we need to do. So this is your lesson here, and you can just scroll across and have a look. Now what's really important is that this lesson goals thing here, so this is the actual PowerPoint for today, it's this PowerPoint here. I need to make sure that up here, this share button, I click this and make sure, so at the moment it's not anyone with a link and view, so that's good. Okay, even if it just says anyone at Cedar College can view, at least then everyone at school can view it, but anyone with a link is best because that'll make it public so that everyone can see it. It actually means then that you could use slides to do all kinds of stuff because I can set my slides to automatically play and all kinds of things. If I go back here, I can actually go to the settings here and I can make it loop and auto start, right? And it'll just automatically change through the slides as it goes. Now I don't want it to do that to you, but if you wanted like a whole series of images to be rolling through, you could use slides to do that on your site too. So I'm just going to click done. And I'll go back to how it was. You can also embed things. So if I want to embed something, okay, let's say I'm here. I actually want this text box, so I'm going to delete it. Okay, let's click embed. Now you can embed by the URL or you can embed by the code. Okay, so it depends on what you're after. So if I want, for example, to go over here and go to YouTube, and I want to embed one of my videos. So you know what? Let's embed one of my wife's videos. Pause. Okay, and I just need this. Copy. And I go back here. Paste the URL. It'll search. Show you what it's going to look like. There you go. Insert it. And there I have now inserted it. And if I want it bigger, you know, if I want to take up the whole screen, here we go. Nice and big. I can then slide it across so it's in the middle. Okay, so nice and easy. And obviously there's all these different things there. If you want to insert a divider, you can do that too. So let's click a divider, and now there's a line in between the section with the video and the next section. You can go straight to YouTube if you want. So I didn't have to click embed. I could just search here. Let's say I'm searching for assessment of injuries or something, and it'll find it for me. And then I can select it and just embed it as well. Or I can upload my video if I like. You can add a button. Buttons, yeah, put a name on it. So maybe click here, or you could say, you know, pdhp.net. Okay, and then the link will be to www.pdhpe.net. Okay, insert. There's my button, and then you can put your button wherever you like. So let's drag that button and put it up here. Okay, and see how it's adjusted automatically according to the background. Okay, so that's kind of the basics of how to do things. Up here you can add collaborators. So if I click that, I can then let other people come in and edit this site for me. Okay, so anyone with a link can view, which is good. Published, anyone can find and view. Okay, but I can also click here and add other people who can then add and change my site as well. Okay, I'm not going to do that right now. Okay, that's beautiful. You can have a view of what your site looks like. So this is my preview, and you can have a look at what it's going to look like on a phone, what it's going to look like on an iPad, what it's going to look like on a large screen. And you can scroll down. And obviously I can insert, you know, Google Forms or anything into my website. Okay, so that's previewing it. The last couple of things that you need to be able to do on your list of things for you to do is to insert headers and footers. Okay, so for that, we need to scroll down the bottom here. You can see there it says add footer. So if I add a footer, The kinds of things that you put in a footer are normally like your social media sharing type things. So you might choose, for example, to go, okay, I actually want to put an image into my footer. Okay, so this is my image. So at the moment this is a small, I can go title, whatever, right, for my text. I don't really want a text footer, but let's say I do. I could say, follow me here, right? And then I'm going to shrink that, and I'm going to insert an image. So double click. There's my Facebook logo. Put it into my footer. Okay, now obviously that's quite large. Let's make it smaller. Smaller. There we go. That I think needs to uncrop it so it actually fits in. And then I can crop it or link it. So I'm going to link it, right? And so I might put in whatever my Facebook thing is. So, or you could do the same for YouTube or whatever. Okay, and you don't need this. So let's say I don't want that. I just want this. And it's linked. So that when people click on it, it'll take them there. And I can add lots of stuff in there. Okay. At the top, this is your header. Okay. So header type, you can choose a large banner, a cover, title only. So you can see how it shrinks down. So I'm going to just keep this little banner here. I think that's a good size. And then finally, I'm going to click up here the button publish, and that means everyone can now access it. And now I'm publishing my site. So this is my site. Everything's going to have sites do, see the, and then Dan Jackson at the end. Okay. Who can view my site? Anyone. Okay. So you can change that if you like by clicking there. Search settings, request public search engines to not display my site. So if you don't want anyone else to be able to find this site, just click that, click publish, and then Google won't put it up on anything for everyone to be able to find if they search for it. And then finally you get your link. So copy publish link to site, and this is my link. Now, before I do anything else, over here, pages. Okay, so this is my home page. Okay, and then you can just insert, you can duplicate it, you can add a sub page. Okay, just call it whatever you like. Maybe a portfolio. Okay, there's advanced settings here about the custom path or whatever, but let's just click done. And then you'll see that actually lands there. And we've created, so it's automatically got the header, automatically got the footer, and I'm just now going to put everything in the middle here according to whatever I want in my portfolio. Okay, you can add other things. Over here you can go to themes. I've currently got simple. So let's go, I want to make an impression, so let's put that as my thing. I don't really like red, so let's pick another color. Scroll down, I like blue, as you may or may not know. And there we go. Okay, so now it's all blue. I can click publish, and now when you come to my page, you'll actually see two different pages. Okay, now I don't have to insert sub pages generally. I can then just insert a new page here. So click plus, new page, call it whatever you like. Happy days, right? Done, and then it's on the same level as home. Okay, anyway, I'll click publish. Have it all done, and there we go. So you can now see happy days up here, and it's in black because that's where I am. If I click home, it'll take me home, right, etc. And then you can just edit it, and as you edit it, whatever you edit hasn't actually been published, so it won't look like what you've edited it to until you click the publish button. Once you click publish, that's when everything will look like what you've actually created or changed on your thing. So there's just a very quick example. This is very, just chucked on there, but you guys